Hi, I'm Richard from Mead Plant and Grab, and I'm the Transport Director. We're an aggregate supplier and muckaway company for the East Anglia region, and we've dealt with Kel-Berg for roughly 12 years. We've bought about 15 8-wheel grabs, 4 8-wheel tippers, Arctic lorry with a trailer. Yeah, it's worked great. Everything we've bought from them we'd buy again. They've got to be quite sturdy. The lorries get battered about a bit. They're in tight spots. With Kel-Berg, I know that it's going to be a good, strong body. All the parts are galvanised. They really hold up to rust and corrosion. They can take the knocks, they can take the bangs. After 6 years, 8 years, we still keep them, we're still running them, and they're still working fine. It's easy with Kel-Berg because it's Simon deals with it every time for us, whereas with other companies you might get the rep changing. With Kel-Berg, it's the same every time. He knows what we want, he knows what we like. During COVID, we were struggling to get lorries, did his best and he managed to pull some lorries out and get us to the front of the queue when we needed them, and they really went above and beyond just to make sure that we were looked after. The Kel-Berg lorries have made things so much easier because everything's uniform, so all 9 lorries are exactly the same. So even when we get an old lorry that we finish with, often we keep them just to use them for the parts, and having the same thing all the time makes life so much easier. And that's why we keep coming back. So I've recommended Kel-Berg to loads of other companies who are similar to us. Kel-Berg just know the market. They know what they're doing. They know how to deal with the grab lorries. They know what we want. They know what we need. And they know what not to put on and what to put on. And it makes life so much easier having to not worry about that.